Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sonam Singh and this is my YouTube channel. It's Sona. Please do consider subscribing my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for further updates. So first of all, wish you all a very happy Diwali. May God bless you with all the happiness in your lives and may all your dreams come true. So basically I'm here with today's video in which I will be showing you that how I created this makeup look. Basically this look is created very easily in just few steps. I will be showing you all the steps and the product that I have used will be linked in the description box. You can go and check out there. But there are few products that I have bought but they are not available in online shopping apps such as Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa or many more. So I have used that product for myself, but I will link second option of the product in the description box. You can go and check out that also. So without any further delay, let's get started.
Hi guys, so let's start doing our Diwali glam up. So for prepping and moisturizing my skin, I am using Himalaya aloe vera gel and taking few drops of it, and I will be putting this gel all over my face, including the high points, the low points, and also to my neck region, and I will be spreading all over my face so that our foundation looks flawless and our skin gets moisturized. After applying this gel for primer, I am using Huda Beauty primer, which is a water based gel, and it preps and moisturizes your skin very nicely. I am using this Huda Beauty primer and applying it all over to my face, especially to the high ends and the pore ends of your face. Then I am using this lipstick, not lipstick, it is lip balm to prepping and moisturize my lips also. After this, I am using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 302, that is toffee, and taking few drops of it and applying all over my face as a droplets or circular. Then I am taking this beauty blender which is wet, and I have started blending all the foundation onto my face. You have to blend your foundation as much as you can so that your foundation looks flawless and you looks natural. You do not have to look very dramatic or something like that. So blend your foundation as much as you can so that it looks flawless onto your skin. You can see how much I am blending. So after putting foundation, instead of concealer, I am using this Color Essence HD foundation stick, and I am also putting it on the lower lash line, that is under eyes and the eyelids, and I have also put it beneath my chin so that all my double chin gets away and it looks flawless into my skin. I'm blending it with the same beauty blender and just blend it as much as you can. After all this, I am using Lakme rose powder just to settle down my foundation or concealer, and the foundation stick that I have used, this is used to apply so that you can't get a creasy effect on your face. After 5 minutes, you just have to blend away all the extra powder that you have on your face. After this, I am going to use this Swiss Beauty mini eyeshadow palette in the shade 02, and in this palette I am using this brown color shade on my brush, and I will use it as a contouring for my face. I have shown you how you have to do your contour at which direction. So I am applying the contour on my face. Just contour gives you a very nice effect to your face, and It also enhances all the basic structures of your face. I'm using beneath my skin and also under my chin so that all the double chin that I have can be flashed away. After applying contour, you can see the basic difference your face gets, the basic structure your face gets. Now, after applying the contour, let's move toward our eyes makeup. For eyes, I am taking this pinkish type transition shade and will be applying all over to my eyelids and eyes so that it gives a very cute and suitable effect to your eyes. Now you can see the basic difference on which you are doing your makeup and which is that's much simple. After applying that transition shade, I will be taking another flat brush that is small in size to give a crease like effect in our eyes. I will be taking this reddish type tone and will be applying in the crease of my eyes so that it gives a very nice effect to your eyes. Just blend your eyeshadow as much as you can and you will be getting a beautiful transition in your eyes. After getting a beautiful transition in your eyes, let me come closer and show you. Yeah, so I have built this. Now I am taking this yellow color eyeshadow and will be applying over my eyelid so that it can matches your outfit that you have wear on your Diwali occasion. I am wearing yellow, so I am using this yellow color eyeshadow. Just blend it as much as you can and it will give you a very nice effect to your eyes. Now I'm again using this red color to give a flawless look to my eyeshadow, and after all the blending I am using this golden color shade because I have to give a beautiful glowing look to my eyes on the occasion of Diwali. This is golden color glittery type shade that I am applying to my eyes. Now I am taking the same brush and the yellowish color and applying it to my lower lash line so that it will give you a complete eye makeup look and it will give a flawless eyeshadow look which looks very suitable and perfect for the Diwali effect. Now you can see I'm just completing all the eyeshadow looks that I think it was missing. Now after applying the eyeshadow to your eyes, I am taking this kajal from Personi and also applying it to the upper lash line of my eyes. Applying to the upper lash line gives you a thin like eyeliner like look, so it gives a very beautiful effect to your eyes. You can see the basic difference between this eye and the eye in which there is no makeup. So after applying this kajal, I will be taking this LA eyeliner pen or sketch and I will be making a thick eyeliner and I will also make a little small size wing. You can see I have made here. So this is my makeup look for the eye, and second eye I have done off camera, and I will be taking the same eyeshadow palette and the color will be this time pink, and this pink color I will be using it as a blush to my cheeks which gives a cute and glowing effect to your cheeks. After applying blush, I am using this Huda Beauty makeup fixer and spraying this water based formula all over my face, and after that I will be using the same beauty blender to just dab it all over my face so that all the makeup setting spray sets up very easily onto my skin and let it be dry. Again, I am giving final touch up to my cheeks by putting more and more blushes, because I just love using the blush to my face because it gives a very pinkish effect to your face. After applying the blush, I am using the same eyeshadow palette, but this time this is the glittery white silver glitter type shade, and I am using it as a highlighter. So I am putting the highlighter to the nose, narrow bones of the nose, and also putting the same highlighter to the narrow cheeks on my cheeks, the narrow bones on my cheeks. I will be putting. Now you can see the basic glow that it gives you after applying the highlighter. I love the highlighter because of the glow that it gives. Putting the same highlighter below the eyebrow, which gives a very glowy effect to your face, and also putting the same highlighter to the upper lips and some of them through the chin. Without highlighter, there is no something that I like in makeup. So after all this done, at the last I would like to use this red color lipstick that basic I have. It is not of a higher brand or something. I just have a normal lipstick in my vanity, so I'm using it and applying all over my lips. So basically you can see all the look is complete, and this is the final look that you can get. It is a very simple and easy look, nothing very high something is required. This is the final review of my makeup. Now giving it a more festive look, I have put here the same mangtika of the same set of earring that I am wearing. Now you can see the basic look.
You have seen how I have created this look, and for self-portrait ideas you can follow me on my Instagram handle. The link is in the description. You can go and check out there, and do follow me there also. And do not forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, share it as much as you can, and do tag me in the picture if you recreate this look. I will be so happy to see all these things. So we'll meet you soon in the next video. Till then, have a very happy Diwali. Bye bye.